Can you find $1,000 gem in this area? Let's go. Today we are in this place. I got everywhere. Look at this. I want to pick up some stones and cut them in workshop. Let's go and find stones. Oh, look at this. So beautiful. Colors is beautiful. Pick up this. And look at this. It's not bad. I pick up this. Oh. Nice. The colors of a stone is so beautiful. No, it's not bad. Can pick up. Oh, look at this. Look at this. So nice. I want to pick up this. It's not bad. Let's go to workshop and cut this stone and see what's inside. Let's go to cut. Number 1. Whoa, this is agate. So nice. Number 2. Number 2. This is agate. Number 3. Number 3. Wow, so beautiful. Look at this pattern. Wonderful. Before cut number 4, if you like this video, please like and subscribe the channel. Let's go. Number 4. Oh, so nice. Look at this pattern.